This mammal is a classic. Tonight we're gonna draw Walking with Prehistoric Beasts' very own prehistoric mammal known as Andrewsarchus. An ancestor of the great dog and modern-day pack hunters like wolves. Yeah, I know, I need these papers for college. I'll work on the back so I can draw in the real models. Starting off, we draw the back side for Andrewsarchus. According to my book, this guy got his first appearance on Walking with Prehistoric Beasts. And another thing about this guy, they've first discovered in Mongolia. And another thing is that they're, well, 3 feet long. I hope we get to see these guys in the, well, American Museum of Natural History. This is a big deal. My compassion for the dinosaurs, it debuts back to the first time I ever saw dinosaurs on my palette. At first, I thought that toy dinos were a bit fascinating. After a while, I started getting a habit of collecting them. The more I saw more of them, the more I had to find out more about these amazing animals. So I started gathering up DVDs and collecting every dinosaur-related figure I can find. I even had a dinosaur collection book. I hope they still collect them. I do. Well, I hope I do. Alexa, shuffle songs from Guardians of the Galaxy.
Shuffling songs from Volume 2 Guardians of the Galaxy. Awesome Mix Volume 2. Original Motion Picture
Alexa,
Sound.
shuffle songs from Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 1.
Shuffling songs from Cinematic Universe. Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 1 by Geek Players on Amazon Music.
Alexa, play I've Got a Feeling from Guardians of the Galaxy.
Here's Hooked on a Feeling by Blue Swede and Bjorn Sheafs on Amazon Music.
Now this song is really compatible with this episode.
Girl, you just don't realize what you do to me when you hold me in your arms so tight. You let me know everything's alright. Hooked on a feeling.
Anyhow, there he is. I think that's how you draw Andrewsarchus. He looks great. I agree. What do you think, Dinosaur Council?
We think it's perfect.